Hey everybody, this is Eric with Heritage Ford, and today we're going to look at the connectivity inside the Sync 3 infotainment system inside the Ford Edge Titanium. Now, I want you to keep in mind that this is going to be not just a video for the Edge, but a lot of the features here can be found in the Sync 3 system in the entire 2024 lineup. So you can use this video as a reference for those, but make sure to check out our channel for even more videos that specifically apply to each individual vehicle. Thanks for being here to watch and enjoy. So next up, I do want to take a look at what we have in the entertainment center here in the Edge. This is a Sync 3 infotainment system, meaning you're having information and entertainment and communications and everything you need. This is the brain of the car right here, and you get all these things right within arm's reach of the driver passenger seat. So the first tab I want to go over is audio. You're gonna have four types of connectivity here for music. Pretty much is AM and FM radio, Sirius XM satellite radio. You do get a trial with that if you do purchase this vehicle and any other 2020, and you also get Bluetooth stereo that you can hook your phone up to. Next, you have climate. This is once again dual climate control right here. You can change your settings there, heat, AC, and so on. Here's where you're gonna connect your phone, and that's easy.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So what you're gonna do there is just go into the Bluetooth settings on your phone, then you're just going to find the Ford Edge and then connect it. So one of the most important things about this Sync 3 infotainment system is that you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in, plug and play. So that means when I go like this is an Android, it's going to open my screen. We have a few messages here, just basically terms of use, agree. So here we are. You have another one. If you have Android Auto, you're gonna have to authorize it to talk to Google. And here we are. Check this out. That is Google Maps off the jump. That is my phone. I'm paired with the Edge. Now it's going to ask me messages access, and that's gonna let it basically have access to your messages so they can read them out to you while you're talking. Now another cool thing is in here, this is where you can control your phone just from the steering wheel. And so while you're there, you have entertainment, navigation, and phone. So we're gonna leave it on phone, and you can see all your calls right here. I'm gonna turn that off because this is not my phone, but once we finish up, here we are. You can see we have things like Tidal. That is my preferred music streaming service. That is right there. You can click that, and then it's just gonna go straight to the most important things. My collection is my likes on there, so we can play these tracks, and it's gonna get your selection, and then you can get going. Oh, sorry. The next things that are great is you have Audible. That's for listening to audiobooks and podcasts. You have your phone, and you have weather, you have other music. So the main important thing to remember here is that you have everything that you need to access on your phone right here displayed, and it's very helpful. And you also have Google Assistant. That's the last thing I'm gonna show you. Google, how do I get to Heritage Ford?
Your work is 35 minutes from your location by car in light traffic. By the way, if you want to listen to the news while you drive, just say, "Hey Google, play the news."
And there it is. So it says that because I live over in Louisville, but I do work locally. So that is Android Auto inside the Sync 3 system inside the entire 2020 and some of the 2019 Ford lineup. Next, you have navigation here, and this is built in, and this is very helpful. You can even go back to your home screen and still control it, but the built-in nav right here is very helpful because it is voice activated and voice controlled. So you're gonna click a button here on the steering wheel find a place.
Searching nearby. Please say the name of the POI.
Heritage Ford.
Please say a line number or say.
So what you're gonna do there is you're just gonna continue through that. You're gonna say one a few more times to take care, to set your destination. You can do it all hands-free, and that's the important thing about this whole Sync 3 entertainment system. You know, you're gonna click here and click there, but Ford is keeping you safe. You have on the next tab options for mobile apps. You can connect a device and run apps through that, but the coolest one here built in, and you also get a trial with this for the same amount of time that you have the Sirius XM, is Sirius XM Travel Link. And what it's going to show you is traffic around you, fuel prices and places to fill up around you, which I'll click on that. So what's cool about that is it will show you gas prices for most of the gas stations right here if they report it. And you can see just 3 minutes away, this marathon has 9 cents cheaper gas than everyone else. So I'm gonna go there. You have movie listings. If it wasn't coronavirus right now, this would be a bit easier. But we don't have movies right now, but it would normally show movie listings, but it's going to also show you movie theaters in the area. You can search by movie title and so on. You get weather updates, sports information. You can get sports casting, I believe, on here. Ski conditions. We actually have a place to ski, Paoli Peaks, but as we saw here, it is basically 100 degrees right now, and
that is not happening.
So last few things, you can find places to park. That is very cool. That's very helpful, especially in an urban situation. You can set weather alerts, and then finally manage your subscription right there. Then the final tab here is the settings tab, where you can toggle sound. You can do 911 assist, which is a great feature included by Ford, to help you call 911 if you're in an emergency situation, valet mode, just general things on here. Last thing being Ford Pass Connect, where you can schedule starts, turn off your car, turn on your AC or heat, monitor your vehicle's fuel level, pay your bills. It's a really great app. There's going to be another video for that soon, and I'll link it in. Alright everybody, so that was the Sync 3 infotainment system inside the Ford Edge Titanium. I want to thank you for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. We have all the videos on the entire 2024 lineup. 2021 vehicles coming soon. Once again, I'm Eric with Heritage Ford, the one and only place you should be shopping for a Ford in the Corydon, Indiana area, or anywhere in the tri-state area if you ask me. Come check us out. Schedule a test drive today, because these vehicles are worth it and you're worth it. So thanks for watching.